guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS Deals video, and happy holidays to everyone. This is a brand new ad and there are some deals you can pick up. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start the video with the buy to get $4 back on 73-ounce all detergents or the 39-count mighty packs. They are on sale for $11.99. Pick up one detergent and one mighty packs. Both will total $23.98. Pay the $23.98 and you get $4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta. The mighty pack is giving back $3 and the detergent is giving back $2.50. That means you get back $5.50 from Ibotta, making these two just $14.48 or $7.29 each. Toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 and they are part of buy 3 get $5 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $11.97. Use the 5 off 3 Crest digital coupon and you pay $6.97. Get 5 back, making them $1.97 or 66 cents each. Sensodyne and Kids toothpaste are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $5.29. With the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $3.17. These two will total $8.46. Pay the $8.46 and you get 4 back, making them $4.46 or $2.23 each. My next deal is on General Milk cereal. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they are on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $3.98. Check your app. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $2.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2. That will make them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Nivea body wash is on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99. Because of the buy 1 get 1 free, you're just paying for one, which is $5.99, and that will make each body wash just $3. If you prefer the Nivea women body wash, pick up 2. They are priced at $6.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 free, you're just paying $6.99, and that will make each body wash just $3.50. My next Nivea deal is buy 2 get $7 back, and the hand and body lotion is part of this deal. Pick up 2 8.4-ounce Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each. Both will total $14.58. Use the $2 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $12.58. Get 7 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. The next lotion deal I have is on Aveeno or Lubriderm. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 you get $5 back. Pick up 2 Aveeno lotion priced at $11.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $6. These two will total $17.99. Use the $3 off Aveeno digital coupon and you pay $14.99. Get 5 back, making them $9.99 or $5 each. Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelettes are on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $12.58. Get 5 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. My next deal is on Garnier facial care. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $6 back. Pick up 2 blackhead eliminating scrub priced at $9.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. Pay the $13.94 and you get 6 back, making them $7.94 or $3.97 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Depend or Poise adult care. Pick up 128-count Poise pad priced at $7.99 and 148-count liners priced at $8.29. These two will total $16.28. Use the $2.50 off Poise digital coupon and you pay $13.78. Get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back on the pad. And this offer has a timer on it that says it will expire in 1 day. And you will also get back 75 cents for buying the liner, which also have a timer that it will expire in 1 day. After this $2.75 back you get from Ibotta, which is $1.50, these two will end up costing just $6.28 or $3.14 each. The first hair care deal I have will be on OGX. They are on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up one OGX shampoo and one conditioner. They are priced at $9.29, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.94. Get 4 back, making them $3.94 or $1.97 each. Garnier Fruity shampoo or conditioner are on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay the $9 and get 3 back, making both $6 or $3 each. The next hair care deal I have is on Garnier Whole Blend. They are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay the $10 and you get 3 back, making both $7 or $3.50 each. The 12.6 ounce L'Oreal shampoo or conditioners are on sale for $5.29, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner for a total of $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 4 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. Soft soap hand soap is on sale for $2.49, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $4.98. Pay the $4.98 and you get 2 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal is on Chic disposable razors. They are on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $9.98, get 4 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. And this deal also includes the Skintimate disposable razor. In case you don't like the men, you can pick up the female and it will still be the same breakdown. Next deal I have is spend $30, get $10 back. Pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $12.99, 1 Bounty Essentials on sale for $10.99, and 1 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. These 3 items will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. If you're doing it exactly as I'm showing it, ask your store and make sure they are following the 98% rule. That way you get your extra care box. Use a $3 off Tide digital coupon, a $2 off Dawn digital coupon, and a $1 off Bounty digital coupon. The 3 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.97, get 10 back, making them $13.97 or $4.66 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.